Well, once again, we're talking about the heat topping the headlines all across Hampton Roads. Our 5th day in a row of temperatures in the 90s. And I think we're going to go towards the upper 90s today. In fact, matching our high from yesterday, which was 99. So very intense heat for one more day. Tomorrow will still be hot and humid, but not nearly as hot and oppressive as we're seeing today. So some slight relief, really big emphasis on slight, because tomorrow really not going to feel all that much cooler. Shower and storm chances do increase tonight, and through the weekend won't be a washout, on and off, more of that type of variety. Some of those storms could be on the stronger side, especially tonight. 94 the current number at Norfolk International, but it feels like 107. Already warmer than it felt yesterday at this same time, so we're going to go right towards that high of 99 by the time the afternoon is out. Heat advisories up, 3rd day in a row here all across Hampton Roads. Everybody included in this until 8 o'clock. Heat index rising as high as 110 degrees. 92 in Newport News right now. This is just the air temperature. 90 in Smithfield over to Chesapeake, 95 Williamsburg, 92 in Hampton, 88 Elizabeth City, and 90 right now in Moyock. Just extremely high dew points as well. Once you get past 75, it's more like you're living down in the Amazon rainforest because it's just tropical out there. And eventually it's going to even get towards that 80-degree mark, which pushes our heat index value, or how it really feels outside, way up there. 109 it feels like in Surrey right now. Gloucester at 106, 107 in Norfolk. Feels like 107 in Williamsburg. A little bit high in Portsmouth, but nonetheless, that's an impressive number. 115, 111 in Gatesville, and it feels like 107 out in Moyock. And that forecast for those heat index values continuing to climb as we get towards the peak heating of the day around 3 to 4 o'clock, and then we'll start to cool down a bit. Now, looking at tomorrow, same sort of time tomorrow afternoon. Mid to upper 90s it'll feel like. So no heat index values 105 or higher warranting a heat advisory, but nonetheless still going to be hot out there, still going to be humid. AC still going to be buzzing all across Hampton Roads. It's not really until Sunday we get some slightly more comfortable air in here. Live radar right now nice and quiet. We do have a cold front off to the north and west here that's going to slowly sag its way to the south and east. As it does so, that's going to create some lift in the atmosphere, and that's what you need when this hot, humid air mass to form some thunderstorms. So that's why the Storm Prediction Center says, hey, you know what? The conditions are there as that front moves on through. Some of the storms that pop up could be on the stronger to severe side with some gusty winds. Slight risk there for mainly everywhere north of the Virginia, North Carolina border there. As you go farther south, the storm's not getting there until well after sunset and overnight. Here's how it plays out on FUTURECAST going through the rest of the afternoon. Sunny, hot, humid. Unbelievable to be outside, and then you get through tonight, we'll start to see a few storms starting to develop here. This is kind of underdoing that storm development, but look, as it happens right through late tonight and into early tomorrow, then some slightly cooler air works on it. 99 today, another scorcher with that heat index as high as 110. Tonight down to 79 with scattered thunderstorms likely. Breezy and still very warm and muggy. And there's a look at your upcoming weekend. 91 degrees on Saturday. We'll call it partly sunny with some isolated storms, more likely in the afternoon and evening, especially to the south, where that cold front gets stalled out. And 86 on Sunday, more storms throughout North Carolina, highest likelihood there. 91 tomorrow, feeling in the upper 90s with a heat index. 86 on Sunday, and then we're back up to around 90 or so. Not as hot, thankfully, but 90 or so right through the middle of next week.